Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these really simple and really pretty cookies. Start off by outlining your cookie with piping consistency icing. For this design, my flood is a little thinner than usual, probably closer to 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure you don't fully flood the cookie because you want to have enough room for adding the color in a few seconds. You still want the icing to be level, so use your scribe tool or a toothpick, and then I like to give it a little shake to really level it out. Immediately after flooding the cookie, go in with whatever color you want and make whatever design you want. Just do it right in the middle of the cookie because this is where the flower is going to go. But yeah, you can literally just do whatever shape you want to make. For this part, I've printed out the images I want to use, and I'm using my projector to project the image onto the cookie. I'm using an edible marker to transfer the images. This part doesn't have to be perfect though. I like to get it as good as I can, and then I trace back over it to really crisp the lines up. This is such a fun design and honestly one of the easiest designs I've ever done. All the info will be in the description box, so be sure and check there if you have questions, but feel free to ask in the comments if I can help with anything. I try my best to always answer questions, and I love to hear from you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.